Hi guys, this is Shah here, the Tech Borg, and today we're going to be doing about how to use comments in our program successfully, and we're also going to learn the purpose of comments and how it's useful when we're coding. So, firstly, I've written a comment here: program to find volume of circular cone. So, by writing a comment, what you're essentially doing is you're telling the user or the programmer that what the purpose of the program is. The first line should define the purpose of the program. Alright, then more or less on every line you should have a comment so the programmer knows what you're explaining and what's its purpose is. So if you do a hashtag represents a comment, and as you can see the writing will be in red, so it's easier for you to understand it. So if we write something hashtag, so I've written here h is equal to float, and a float, as we all know, is a decimal value. Input is to enter the number or value, and the height. So over here we're just going to write height of circular cone. So you see we are summarizing this line of code. So we're saying that you need to enter the height. So we're just writing next to it in a short sentence, short phrase, height of circular cone. Similarly, over here we have radius of circular cone. And as you can see, this is the value of pi. This is the radius squared bit of the entire formula. And this is the final answer. So volume. So this is just to define overall the final answer, volume output, and this is the volume value. So let's say you have another programmer that enhances your own program. Like if you made a program like this, let's say, and you want the person to enhance it so it looks better, or it just accepts more things, like a greater variety of different types of prisms, like could be like a rectangular prism or a square based pyramid, I don't know. But if you want to allow that to happen, they need the comments so they can understand your code. And the whole point of comments is so the person can change around your code and the person can understand it first and foremost. So if when I put these comments, they show up as red, so it's more visually appealing. The person can understand it better. And in professional standards, where most people like to see comments, and it's very useful in a computing career. So please make sure you use comments. And any of you that are doing the new GCSEs in 2017, I believe, is first 2018 is the first exam for the new computing GCSE OCR exam board. So if you're doing any of that, then you should use comments, as majority of the controlled assessment mark scheme requires you to use these comments, and even all the other controlled assessments for computer science you need these comments. And yeah, and that's really it for me in this video. It was a short video, but just to teach you basics on comments, and I will go into more depth in some upcoming videos. And thank you for watching, and like, comment and subscribe.